Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to insert image in rectangle for two way. I already insert this rectangle with white stroke. Apply first way. First of all, go to File, Open, and find your click and import. Click and drag it. Press Ctrl T on your keyboard. Resize. Hold Shift. Click and resize. Step 1. Click the image layer. Right click on your mouse. Create clipping mask. And step 2, hold Ctrl, then click rectangle tool and click image layer, then create clipping mask. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.